Hey, what's going on, everyone? I am so excited to announce Arielfx's first ever funding challenge and giveaway. I'm going to be going over all of the rules associated with this challenge and going over how you can participate, who can participate, and all the nitty-gritty details that are associated with it. So first and foremost, I will have you know, and this is so very important, so please pay attention here. You have to follow the rules to the exact T. If you don't, you will be disqualified from participating and will not receive your reward if you are one of the top 3 traders. All right, so following the rules are very self-explanatory, is very, very crucial in being able to participate in this challenge. Now, this challenge is open to anyone who wants to participate. You do not have to be an exclusive member of the VIP community, but if you are, you will have extra perks associated with that, and I will go over all of that in a second. So, the rules are, please open up a demo account of any balance in any brokerage account. Doesn't matter what broker you use, and doesn't matter what account balance you have, because we will be tracking performance in regards to percent return and drawdown. All right. So now MT4, MT5, but your leverage must be capped at a 1 to 100. Okay. We don't want you to over leverage or any of that because we are trying to instill in you a proper sense of trading. So you must be capped at a 1 to 100 and you must attach your demo account to a MyFX book or an FX Blue or just any third party data tracker that you know. And you must trade in a manner that is, this is very important, deemed acceptable by funding providers. All right, so whether that be City Imperium, My Forex Funds, or just any prop firm trading firm that you know of, please be sure you review their rules and understand that you have to trade that in a manner that is deemed acceptable. Now, I will tell you that we don't care if you trade news, but we do care what risk you are using. Please do not use a risk of more than 1% per trade because the Arielfx team will be going over everyone's trades individually for everyone's MyFX book or FX Blue or whatever you provide and be doing a thorough analysis of the entire accounts throughout the entire month. Okay, so we will know who is not following the rules and who is following the rules. So no more than 1% risk per trade. If you don't know how to calculate your percent risk, go to position size calculator. It's by MyFX book, and it'll show you exactly how that works. All right. The winners will receive funding challenges as a prize. First, second, and third, we will be aiming for highest percent return, but with the lowest drawdown. So if someone has a 50% return, but a 50% drawdown, they're probably not going to be the winner. Okay, we will definitely take risk and drawdown into account when doing the analysis of your account. So it is definitely to your advantage to be using proper risk management because you have to use 1% risk or lower anyways, because we will be doing a thorough analysis of your entire account, going over each individual trade to make sure you are following the rules that is acceptable. All right, overall drawdown must not exceed 12%. We are being very lenient here. Right? This is not like a 10% through other prop firm accounts, but you may not exceed more than 12% realized or unrealized to balance or equity at any point in time. Daily drawdown, you cannot have a daily drawdown of more than 5%. This will help you to prevent over trading and be able to just put down the trades if you do reach about 5%, so you do not keep trading and losing. So this is not only a challenge to potentially help you, win and provide you with a reward, but it also teaches you what you should be doing in your own personal trading on a day-to-day basis. All right. So you cannot trade cryptos. We do not allow cryptos, but you can trade anything else. You can trade indices, you can trade Forex, you can trade stocks. We do not allow cryptos because cryptos, many people do not know how to properly trade them, and they do not provide the best teacher for risk management. Okay, there is no profit target. So you can make 0%, you can make 1%, you can make 10%, you can make 100%. Whatever it is, there's no profit target specified. Right, and we will be keeping up with the leaderboard, and all the participants will be updated with the leaderboard. This will be going through our Discord channel, so please be sure to join. If you don't have the link, it's through our IG within our bio. We will also be keeping track of the leaderboard within IG as well, so you guys can have multiple social media access to view the leaderboard at any given time. All right. Top 3 traders. Now, again, we will be taking into consideration not only percent return, but drawdown as well. Third place will receive a $25,000 funding challenge of your choice. This can be my Forex Fund, City Imperium, or any other prop firm that you wish. Second place will receive a $25,000 funding challenge and access to our daily analysis channel. So this is a part of our VIP program. You will have lifetime access to that program as well. Now, first place, you will receive a $50,000 funding challenge and full access to our exclusive mentorship program, which will include our 3-course series, one-on-one mentorship with me and our partners, and our lifetime access to our VIP community, where we send out daily trade ideas and analysis to provide uncapped earning potential within your trading. All right, guys, so this will start on September 12th, 2022, and end on October 12th, 2022. So this is 1 full month. So the 12th of September, I believe, is a Monday. However, what needs to be done in order for you to participate? Now, this is very important. I will not be lenient for people who do not follow these rules. So we will start on the 12th, okay? You must have your MyFX book or FX Blue attached to your account and the link that I can view sent over to us. You can send it via email, IG, Telegram, Discord, whatever you wish, by the 16th at midnight Eastern Standard Time. So pretty much 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday, the 16th of September. You will need to have sent in your link to the MyFX book or FX Blue that I can see that will track your data, because that will be so we can be able to provide the leaderboard statistics at that point. Anyone who provides that after the 16th will no longer be qualified to join this challenge. You cannot start trading until Monday, the 12th. So Monday, the 12th of September, you can then start trading. Any trade taken before the 12th of September, you will automatically be disqualified. Okay, so it is very easy to follow these rules, guys. It is not that difficult. However, we need to do things a certain way to ensure everything goes very smoothly. So guys, I'm very excited for this challenge. Please do your best. You can use any strategy that you wish. You do not have to use our smart money concepts based institutional strategy. If you wish to do so, that is definitely acceptable, but don't feel as if you have to use that strategy. Any strategies are allowed. You cannot use algorithms. You cannot use EAs. We will know if it's an EA. Trust me, we will know. We have the software to go in and look at everything in regards to what is being used on a day-to-day basis within your trades. So no EAs. It is purely a manual trading challenge, and you cannot trade cryptos, but you can trade everything else. 1 to 100 leverage max. We will be checking everything. You cannot exceed 12% drawdown or 5% on a per day basis. It will start on September 12th, end October 12th. You have to have your MyFX book or data tracking software linked to me by the 16th of September in order to participate. And the one who has the highest percent return with the lowest drawdown, the top 3 traders, will win those rewards as seen in this picture here, guys. So good luck to you all. I look forward to keeping track of everyone's statistics and seeing how well you're doing. And obviously, those of you who will win, we will be in contact with you and providing you with a free challenge. All right, guys, so please be sure to send me over your MyFX book or FX Blues before the 16th so we can automatically get you enrolled. But no trading is allowed to start prior to the 12th. All right, once the 12th rolls around, you may start trading, and we will have exactly 30 days to complete the challenge. And afterwards, I believe that Sunday, the 16th. Yep, Sunday the 16th, we will announce the winner of the challenge on that Sunday's live session on the Trading Nut channel. All right, guys, so good luck to you all. I look forward to seeing your progress, and let's do it.